it alive?
Yeah, it's
Come,
alive.
it's not moving.
It's moving.
I can't see it. Where? Oh yeah, huh? It's moving. Like worms.
How come I cannot?
What you I thought you already
Can you
recording.
get one, YK? And then I'll get one.
Are you taking or not? Okay,
Yeah,
Matthew will be the first one.
I'm filming. Wait. Slowly. Just show first that it's moving.
It's not. It's a king.
Moving.
0.00.
Yee.
Must bite properly, ah.
And though that's
I
so
think the
long,
rest are
anak.
dead.
Anak, so long. Just take the small one
This one
first.
was the dead one.
Sauce.
Daddy, I cannot record.
Wow, still moving.
Daddy, there.
Can I see it's moving?
That one dead already.
No, not yet. Still moving.
You should have cut it in front of us. Machu, this one.
I want to play with
This
it.
one, Machu, this one.
Moving. Dead already.
Dead is dead.
Dead already.
I want to play with it.
This moving.
Which one's moving? This one?
Ah, moving. This one moving.
moving
Let's
also.
get stuck to it. I'm trying to do it.
This one is moving.
What lousy tentacles.
Everybody looking at.
Show
So
first.
big, ah? Are you sure?
Cut.
You try one small one.
Cut.
Hi, baby.
This is chili sauce.
Yeah.
I think it's the same chili sauce you eat at Jeju. No,
No cutting, no
live
cutting.
happily.
Just bite.
I'm trying to help you cut.
Oh no.
Did you bite? Who ate there?
Wait.
Oh, stuck.
Who will go first?
Me.
Wait.
That's me doing it.
I'm not eating. I'm playing. I'm playing with it.
Show, Kokok, show. Is it moving? Show me. Wait, is it moving?
Wait,
It's moving. Look.
No, move it. Okay, show.
Don't drop it,
What does it taste like? Kokok.
Okay, I'll take this one, which is moving one. Okay.
Tastes like what? Nothing.
But it's stuck together. Leh.
It tastes like the
I
other
want the one is still moving.
It tastes like the other one. It's cold.
Tastes like that.
Is it cold?
It's not recording.
It's moving, is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Daddy, it's not recording. It doesn't allow me to record.
Tastes like the other one.
Oh yeah, huh?
Getting stuck to my teeth.
Actually,
Right.
the one they serve is only the tentacles. They don't serve the head.
Jasmine, excuse
Just
me, I
don't
cannot
get things.
eat.
You serve that, it will become black.
What is
So
that?
they
What is
only
that?
serve the tentacles.
They remove the head.
Difficult to grab.
Here.
No.
That's the head.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it looks like
Excuse me, Jasmine.
Look at that. Look at this. It's moving this way.
I'm trying to take video.
See? Oh, cause I touched this. Oh, see? You see? It. See, it hang on the this thing.
Oh,
Guys, get stuck.
It's
trying
hang.
to. No, yeah. It used its suction to hang on the.
It's like the one in Jombang. With the sauce nicer.
Oh. I mean, if I can actually take it. I mean, look.
Because it's trying to.
Is it moving?
It doesn't want me to take it.
Because it doesn't want the
Chili sauce.
chili sauce. Yeah.
Oh no, must
Oh,
bite,
yeah.
bite.
And it's a baby.
Daddy, that one's so
Bubbly,
big.
ah.
That's so long. It might
Bite
get stuck
first,
on
bite
your-
first, bite
Must
first.
bite.
Why?
This one
You
is
can
very strong
swallow.
one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just stuck in your throat.
You cannot
Is
eat
it?
that.
Bite a lot.
You cannot
Bite
eat
as we
everything.
hate
No,
it.
you must
I leave it
bite
here lah.
Wow,
Yeah.
this guy's still moving over.
Look at that phone.
No, just drop it inside for like
Matthew's
some time.
eating that.
See, they don't like the chili, oh.
Don't like the chili sauce.
You like it? Octopus?
Swimming in the chili.
I know you liked it because you love chili.
I think it's painful, oh.
Yeah.
You're torturing the
Sure.
octopus.
Mine. I will eat it.
Hey, it's no longer moving.
Daddy, are you sure you want to eat this?
Yeah, it's
Bite
dead
bees, bite
already.
bees, bite bees.
I think you
Bite
must
properly.
That
buy.
one's dead.
It's dead already.
It's not
It's
dead.
like dead already.
Oh no.
I killed it.
That one's dead already. The one which is moving.
Only the men are trying.
It's not dead. It's moving. Yeah.
Oh, that's stuck on the table now.
It got stuck in the table.
Moving.
Can I try
Moving on my hand.
to pick it up?
Moving on my
Wait,
hand.
wait.
Can I try to pick it up?
Wait, wait.
Stuck on your hand.
Moving on my hand. The pen-
Show mommy, show mommy.
What is stuck on your hand?
He's trying to move up on my hand.
But can it get stuck? Ow! So big, so hard.
Yeah, use the spoon.
Oh, it is very strong eh.
Yeah, lor. It's moving on my hand.
Very strong.
Oh, it's stuck to the table.
How to finish this?
Don't finish now.
Right? Don't waste lah.
Wow. We're gonna eat. Wow.
Swimming,
I
swimming,
think
swimming.
he's hurt.
Swimming, yeah.
It's hurt, it's hurt.
Hey, mommy, can you move? I'm just...
It hurts. It hurts.
The chili is
The chili, I think, is hurt.
It's
Yeah.
the slimy
Let's
part.
see the rest.
I dare you to eat.
Huh?
Eat up.
Over there.
Oh no, they keep moving.
The octopus
I
head.
don't want to die.
It's dying.
Is there a seashore?
Ask on.
Bite. Just bite it. Yeah, bite it. Bite it.
I'm gonna try.
Bite it off. You can't. The chopsticks are too. I mean, can you send me the video?
They,
Send me the
still
video.
alive.
Putting them with more chili.
Bite it, bite it.
More of them chili.
No, if you want to eat it, you daddy, you bite it off.
Stuck to your Oh, this one is nice. So you buy for birthday ah?
Oh.
Oh, there's so much food again. Michael, look.
If they have vegetables, then there must be pork somewhere. What's this?
That's me.
Come back to here. Duck.